electric and everything?
Stock electrical. It's a stock 14-volt battery, and thanks to the hybrid battery, my voltage, it holds a good safe voltage.
Yes, sir. One of those little small hybrid batteries, the little small one?
It goes across this whole rear end here. With
okay, it comes on the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. I said, you good to go then.
Not too loud, but Instagram is Kellous_boy.
Yes, sir. Y'all be sure to give him a follow. I sure appreciate it, man. I want y'all to tag you in the video too, man. I'll give you one of the okay, so you better see your video. Yes, I sure appreciate it, brother.
No problem. I enjoy your channel.
Nice seeing you. I appreciate the support, man.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.